Welcome to Cropilots Tractor SKD packaging area, where we optimize shipping efficiency without compromising on quality. At first glance, you might see a partially disassembled tractor. But what you're really looking at is a testament to our commitment to efficiency, flexibility, and customer satisfaction. SKD packaging allows us to fit more units into a container, reducing shipping costs and passing those savings on to you. SKD packaging also reduces the risk of transit damage, ensuring that your tractor arrives in perfect condition. And with potential lower tariffs, your investment in our tractors becomes even more cost-effective. Finally, our commitment to you doesn't end when your tractor leaves Cropilots factory. With SKD packaging, we can provide better after-sales services, ensuring that you have the support you need to keep your tractor running smoothly.